Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn the things which I have done for the Python ICP 5. So in this we have discussed different types of neural networks like for RNN, and also we have learned about LSTM, that is long short term memory. So in this we have been given with three questions. The first question is I need to save the model and use the save model to predict the new text data. Like I have been given with a tweet of Donald Trump and I need to find whether this tweet is a positive one or negative one or a neutral one. So for that I have used PyCharm. So if you can see, this is the model which I have saved. So if you can see, this is the input dataset sentiment.csv. By using this dataset, I am going to find out whether the given tweet is an positive tweet, negative tweet, or a neutral tweet. So first I am taking only the two fields like text and sentiment. We have got many fields in sentiment.csv. So text has the content and sentiment will be having the emotion, like whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. So after that I am converting all the uppercase letters into lowercase by using this lambda function, and also I am checking for the special characters in that. And next I have taken the maximum features to be 2000, and first I have tokenized the data, and after that I have used like embedded dimensions as 128 and the number of neurons as 198, and next I have converted this text data into label and numeric data using label encoder, and I have given the test brain test split like 0.33 for testing and remaining 0.67 for training, and I have used functions to create a model. So this model will be create model function will be creating a model, that is LSTM model, and even I have given the dropout for 0.9, and for the recurrent dropout will be 0.2, and I have used the activation as softmax because it has got the output of more than three target fields. So and after that I have created the module and I have found the loss and the accuracy. So the loss and the accuracy for this is loss is 0.7 and accuracy is 0.6, and I have saved the model using the name of sentiment model.h5. So if you can see, this is the model, and coming to the task 1, I need to check this tweet whether it's an positive tweet or negative tweet. So for that I have used the saved model from the previous sentiment previous question. So I am doing the prediction of my result using this saved model. So the output for this is this one. So the predicted class is 0, like 0 is for positive, 1 is for negative, and in between them is neutral. So if you can see, its positive content is 0.8 and other content is 0.04 and 0.06. so you can see that clearly the predicted class is 0, so the statement is a positive one. And coming to the second part, I have to apply grid search CV on the source so on the use case 2 provided to us. So this is the one, this is the use case second. So we are using the batch size of 10,20 and epochs as 1 and 2, so it will be running multiple times. For the grid I have used grid search CV, and I have checked the result for this. So the result has came out to be for the best accuracy is 0.67 when the batch size is 20 and epoch number as 2. And coming to the third question, apply the code on spam dataset available in the source code. So I have been given with one more dataset called spam dataset. So in this dataset I have used only two fields, that is first and the second field. So I have taken it as v2 and v1. As we done in the first one, I have just converted all the code into all the capital letters into smaller, and I have checked for the special characters in that, and I have used the neural count as 196 and dimensions as 120 because it has 128 dimensions. So after that we will be getting only 2 target fields. Like if you can open this spam.csv, we have got only 2 fields. One is ham and the spam, so we have got only 2 target fields. So for that we'll be using only 2, and the activation technique as softmax. Even we can use sigmoid for this because there are only 2 target fields. And here this create model will be calling this function to create that model. And for this model I have found out the loss and accuracy for this. So the loss is 0.06, very less, and the accuracy is too high, like 0.98 for this model. And I have saved this model, and that's it.